We are now at Efteling. This is just like Disneyland in the Netherlands.
It's getting busier. The pagode, 5 minutes, huh? Oh. Piranha?
See how busy it is? There's already a long line. Yeah, we're going there first. It's called
Ravelijn.
Ravelijn, and then
For
after
show.
that we go there, and then afterwards we might go to that house.
Yeah, if it's not too busy.
Yeah, but you can see the line. So we're just gonna wait for like 30 minutes. Yeah. 30 minutes and have another croissant. Yeah, but what I really like about this park is that it's really green. There are a lot of trees around. And we're lucky that the weather is really nice as well. It's a little bit cool. It's not humid, so it's good. I think this is my very first English-only vlog.
Oh, dat is goed.
Yeah. Eet smakelijk.
Smakelijk.
Hey.
Relaxing.
Yeah, so this is like the 6th or 5th theme park that I've been to, like the big one. The first ever park I've been to was, Universal Studios in Singapore, and then Hong Kong Disneyland. Yeah.
And in the Philippines? No.
Nay, I've never been to a big park there. There's one, a big one in Manila. And then after that, we went to Universal Studios in Japan, and Disney Sea in Tokyo, and then in Vietnam, Bana Hills.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
And then Dynam Park, but it's not really like this. It's different. Dynam Park. Sweet Dien in Vietnam too.
Yeah,
that's nice.
I went there too. Yeah.
Yeah, he also went there, but it's our first time to be in a theme park together.
Yeah.
This is called Efteling here. Yeah, I don't think a lot of Filipinos know about Efteling. The ones in the Filipina. There, Disneyland is really popular.
Here you have it in France.
Yeah.
It's not that far, but I like this more.
You've been there, yeah?
Yeah, when I was 12. So that's more
really
than
long
20
time
years,
ago.
20 years ago.
60
And that
years
was when
ago.
you went to Universal Studios. Yeah,
Booing.
no, that's more than 20 years ago. I like this.
Yeah.
Right?
So we're just waiting outside now. We can go in anytime soon. We're going in.
Yeah.
So for 2 people, so because of Corona, you can see here, you can't really sit there. Only on the white lines, with the white lines.
Yeah.
Nice. Really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been like 25 minutes or 30 minutes.
25.
25.
Yeah.
At the entrance. You're blowing kisses, Mom.
Flying kisses.
This is nice for kids, Papa.
Yeah.
For Anna.
A lot of flowers, Bob.
Yeah.
It can be a little bit fast now. Yeah. Hey, ciao.
That was a short ride, yeah, but it was nice. What? You look funny. What? Down, oi!
They say it's like almost no light.
So we're getting some snack. Ruud is hungry.
High five.
Here is my castle.
Cheese snack. Noodle snack.
Bami. Have this one.
Hou jij hem bij, Bian?
So I left Ruud there. He's waiting there. I need to go to the toilet. So this one's really busy.
That one on the left.
Waiting time is 15 minutes.
50, yeah.
50, yeah, 50. See how busy it is. It's really, really busy. Hello!
That's back here. You can do the boats, yeah.
That's more. So this one's a maze for kids. Oh, that's really nice. So we're just walking around
Yeah, it's getting busier and busier.
because all the attractions now are really busy. Waiting time is really long. So we'll just walk around for now. Maybe when it's not so busy anymore, then
Yeah, we're
we'll
gonna
try.
do some relaxed attractions.
Relax. So maybe we'll do this boat tour.
Yeah,
Tour?
boat tour.
So we're going there, the pagoda,
Yeah, pagoda.
the one you saw earlier, which goes up. there now. We're already here.
We wanna go up?
Yeah, we're going up.
I think from upstairs we can see Cebu.
Here we go.
Feel it already on your ears?
No. We're going up. Yeah.
Yeah, you have like the feet on.
This is how high we are now.
Hotel.
This is the next thing we're gonna do. So we're here. We're on the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a little bit burnt.
Yeah? Yeah. Boats go good, not too fast.
So we're just chilling. Pagoda is
Relaxing.
there. Yeah, we were there earlier.
Your things.
Yeah, but there are so many bins.
Yeah.
Ooh. We're done, we're done.
Bami goreng met babi bangen. Nee. En mag een cashje bij alsjeblieft. Een raketje. Ja. Ja, dank u wel.
I'm having noodles. Ruud is having ice cream.
High five.
Lekker. With meat.
Pork.
So Chinese we get. We're now on the seventh attraction. Seventh now. And waiting time is 40 minutes. So
Long time.
yeah, it's already past
three.
three. And we got here around 9 o'clock. So busy day.
Yeah.